What's going on, guys? Alex Tex Kate, welcome back to the channel. Today we are introducing a new optic, the Lux Tactical SKYRAIDER. Now, Lux Tactical is a new company that has come out over the last year or so, but they really came out with a bang. A good buddy of mine, Matt Hall, shoots for them, who shoots locally with me, and I've seen him start bringing these things out over the last year with a lot of curiosity as to what they are. So, thanks to Lux Tactical for sending me out one to try, test, and review. And I am really looking forward to getting into this optic with you guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about some of the key features of it now that I have it installed on my PDP here. And then after that, I will flip to an unboxing so you guys can see everything that does come in the box. They definitely hit it more on the head like HoloSun does, with a lot of accessories included with the optics, so you really get your money's worth. The SKYRAIDER does retail at $299.99, but it does have a multi-reticle system, which is nice. So a lot like the HoloSun 507 comp, which is what I would say it is more directly comparative to price range wise, quality wise, size wise. I think this is going to give the 507 comp a run for its money once it really makes it out there to everybody. But let's go over some of the features real quick. So it does have a really nice 30mm window, a lot like your Romeo 3 Max. It does come in both red and green and has a 30,000 hour battery life on a 1632, which is phenomenal. It is an RC LED light sourced optic with 8 adjustments and 2 night vision settings. It also has 3 different reticle options, including a 32 MOA circle with a 3 MOA dot in between, a 32 MOA circle, and just a 3 MOA dot. So it gives you a lot of different options along with a large variety of brightness settings. You get 50 MOA of adjustment, right, left, up, and down, so 100 MOA total of range, which is a pretty generous amount, I would say. I think that is on the higher end of overall adjustment for optics. It is parallax free and does come with sleep settings and shake awake. So you do have all of those extra little features that is always that next thing that people are wanting out of that next optic. So again, they really seem to have thought of it all. They jam-packed absolutely everything that we love out of an optic, including a RMR footprint, into this SKYRAIDER here, and I am really excited to test and try this thing out and give you guys some feedback on this. I think this is going to be another great choice in that $300 optic range as far as high quality optics at a budget price goes. Other nice thing that I noticed about this when I pulled it out of the box was it's nice and light. It's only 50 grams. Not much at all. Aluminum housing too, and it is durable up to 3,000 Gs, they claim it to be. So this thing definitely seems like it was built to last, and we're going to find out. So stay tuned, guys, and I will be back with some videos of me running this optic. I'm going to do some shorts. I will do a live fire test day on video and test the thing, test the different reticles, and give you guys a little bit more feedback. And then at the end, once I've put a couple thousand rounds on it, I will get back with you guys and let you know how durable it was, how it held up, if I ran into any issues, and so on and so on. So let's get to the unboxing, guys, and then I will get to testing for you.
All right, so let's get into the unboxing of the new SKYRAIDER. So here I got the new Lux Tactical SKYRAIDER. It is a 30mm window, a lot like your Romeo 3 Max from Sig Sauer. So huge field of view, but let's get into unboxing and see everything that it includes. All right, so right when you open it up, you're gonna have your user manual. It looks like they did a nice little thing here of bending that plastic so you can actually pull it out, which is nice. There's your microfiber cloth that is standard. They give you this nice little card in here with the QR code thanking you for your purchase and a way to register your optic, assumingly for warranty and so on. There is your user manual. It's nice, just like any other optic out there. They seem to cover all of their bases here, without a doubt. Let's get into the optic though. So there's your dry pack. Optic comes in a bag with a cover, so that's nice. It does come with a rubber cover on top. So we're going to look at the optic first real fast before we get into all of the accessories that come in the box. At first look, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. I did already open it and put a battery in here because I wanted to be able to see the different reticles in here. But it is an absolutely gorgeous optic. The glass is just as good as anything else that I have seen. But there you go. You got your optic in your optic cover, which is nice. Next, you will see it comes with a Picatinny rail mount. So if you were going to run this on a rifle or on an offset on a rifle, you can, and or even like your Mark IV, your Rugers that have a pick rail on top that are 22s used primarily for steel challenge. But that's a nice feature that it does come with. Then you have obviously your adjustment tool. So this is going to be for adjusting your elevation, your windage, for changing out your battery. It's really nice that they include this. It's kind of, as much as I love my Trijicons and so on, and not to dog on them, but we all have to order them usually. I think they come with them now, I've heard, but they used to never come with tools. So nowadays that everybody is always adding the tools in with the box, it is a really nice thing. We keep those in our bags and we use them on the fly, especially when we are really running these optics in competition. Past that, looks like you got your T10, T15 Allen here. So it's going to be for your optic screws. What else do we got in here? Next, we got what looks like some shims, so plate shims. Looks like there's one. Is nice because I've never seen one of those come with the optic, and then it comes with a battery. It does run on a 1632 lithium. And it looks like there's one more little thing in here. Let's see what we got. What is this? Oh, obviously these are necessary. Here are your screws. So it looks like you got two different types there, but it comes with two sets of screws. And that is everything that comes in the box. So now that we are this far, let's go ahead and look at the different reticles that come on this optic. So number one, as it started with, is this little nice 32 MOA circle and 3mm dot in the middle. If you hold the plus button down, it'll change out the reticle. So right there, now it jumped to a 32 MOA circle with no 3 MOA dot in the middle. I'm going to go ahead and hold it again, and you are going to get your 3 MOA dot. It does have a very high amount of brightness settings. If you keep hitting it, it just keeps going, keeps going, keeps going. It does have 8 brightness settings as well as 2 night vision settings. So it is a really well thought out optic. I'm really excited to run this. It is an RMR footprint, which is very beneficial since that seems to be the most common footprint out there right now. So let's go ahead and mount this on a gun and we'll talk about it a little bit more.
So that is everything that comes in the box. As you can see, it is a really nice presentation. You get what you're paying for. Now we're going to make sure you're getting what you're paying for, and we are going to test it. Again, I am super excited and super grateful to Lux Tactical out there. You guys check them out at www.luxtactical.com. They have some other optics as well, in which, as long as I like this one and you guys want to see more, I will happily reach out and see if I can test some more variety of their optics. But I'm going to go head out to the range and start testing this baby. So, as always, thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And as always, I appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys next time.